Hello, I am Dr. Pallavi Tagde from DK Mahila Mahavidyalaya Kurkheda, District Gadchiroli. Today I am here discuss on the topic impact of COVID-19 in various sectors. As we all know, the entire world is fighting a battle with COVID-19 pandemic. We have been facing a lot of challenges to curb this contagious disease. Now it is a customary duty to keep the surrounding neat and clean as well as maintain social distancing to stop the spreading of coronavirus infection. The present research paper entitled Impact of COVID-19 on Women Sanitation, a case study, is based on a factual data collected through sample survey method and telephonic interviews. 25 respondents took active participation in this survey. The data was analyzed and the findings have been discussed in the paper. It is observed that women became more sanitation conscious in this period of COVID-19 pandemic. They are giving more importance to keep the clean and maintaining social distance. Women are the pillars of any society, so they always take the whole responsibility on their shoulders to keep the family safe and healthy. Even in this horrible situation of COVID-19 pandemic, women have been facing many problems in following all the instruction given by government time to time. Still there is a lack of good sanitation work in rural area. There is a lack of awareness about sanitation to keep their families free from any kind of infection. They are using cloths for making a mask. Sanitizer is far from their reach. Even this lack of facilities could not discourage them from sanitation. In this way, we can say that women became more aware about sanitation in this COVID-19 pandemic, maximum in number. Suggestions for meeting the challenges of women's sanitation in rural as well as urban areas have been offered at the last in this paper. Such as first is women in every region of the country must be made more aware about sanitation. Second is periodic survey should be conducted in the COVID-19 hotspot areas as it will ensure more participation in sanitation drive. Third is things important for sanitation should be provided in rural area. Fourth is more emphasis should be given in rural area for positive sanitation. Fifth is social distancing should be maintained in all walk of life. In this way, the present paper try to explore the ways of sanitation and impact of COVID-19 pandemic on women's sanitation. Thank you.